In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Wix website. This can be particularly useful if you're working with a team or partnering with a professional to optimize your site. I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure there's no confusion, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix Studio website management platform. This is your go-to place for handling anything related to your Wix sites. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you'll see all the sites you've created. Choose the site you want to share access to. To do this, simply hover over the site and an option saying Site Actions will appear. Click on that. Now, what you'll be looking for is an option labeled Invite Collaborators. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new interface where you can start inviting people to collaborate on your site. This is where you can give permission to others to make changes, manage settings, and more. Moving on, you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure you double-check the email address. Typos can lead to access issues or even inviting the wrong person. After typing in their email, the next step is to select a role for them. Wix offers different roles like owner, back-office manager, blog editor, and so on. Each role has its own set of permissions and access levels. Think carefully about what role is appropriate for the level of work your collaborator will be doing. Once you've chosen a role, the next part is clicking on that role to confirm your selection. This will lock in the permissions associated with the role you've chosen. It's an important step because it dictates what kind of changes they'll be able to make, so choose wisely based on their role in your project. The next step is to hit Send Invite. This will officially send an email invitation to the collaborator, allowing them to join your Wix site management team. But wait, there's one more choice to make. You'll see an option asking you who this invitation is for. It's a simple drop-down that you can fill out to further clarify the relationship you have with this person, helping you better manage your team in the long run. You're almost there. Before you finish up, there is a checkbox to confirm all the tasks have been completed correctly. Be sure to tick it. Finally, you need to click the Done button. This will finalize the process and your collaborator will receive an email invite to access your site. And there you have it. You've successfully invited someone to collaborate on your Wix website. Just remember, collaboration can be a powerful tool if managed correctly, so be sure to review permissions and roles regularly to keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy building!